Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G56, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on this device. Okay, so before we will begin, let's make sure that in the settings, when we open them up and when we scroll down, under the Google, we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup earlier. It is really important because there's a chance that when you try to restore the backup, the WhatsApp won't find it. So remember about it. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. I just downloaded it to show you the whole process. As you can see, the app welcomes us. In here we need to select the language that we are interested in, then click on that green arrow. In here again, select your language, then click on agree and continue. Now let's click on allow to send us notifications, and now in this bar we need to type the phone number of ours. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click right in here, and then your phone number will be automatically copied. So now I'm going to type my phone number. Always remember that you need to verify it. Okay, just give me a second, I am almost done. You need to also select the verification method. Okay. Alright. And now my phone number has been successfully verified. And now we have this contacts and media. Now let's click on continue. Let's click on allow, allow, allow all. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. We can see below when the last backup was made. We can also see the size, and we can see the account on which we made that backup. And as you can see, it's the same backup that I am logged in the settings. You can take a look. It's the same. So remember about it. About checking that mail. And now, make sure that... sorry, don't make sure, just remember that you need to restore your chats right now, because there's a chance that if you want to do it later, you won't have that possibility. So click on that restore button right now. Now the process will start. It's not gonna take long because I don't have that many messages. Alright, as you can see, 20 messages restored, and the media will restore in the background. So let's click on next. In here under the profile info you can type your name, and if you're interested in changing the profile photo, click on that green plus button, and then from your gallery you can change and pick the photo. Then click on next. And now, as you can see, we have our messages that has been successfully restored, including the photos and the videos. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.